Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to manage inventory and customers in Shopify. This helps us track stocks and understand our customer better. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First I go to Shopify admin, then click on products, then open inventory. Now I select custom t-shirt. Here we can add the quantity. I add 50. Click on save. This means I currently have 50 items available for sale. Here enable inventory tracking. This helps us get notified when the product is running low so I can restock on time. So this is how we can manage inventory. So next I go to Shopify admin. Then click on customers. Here we can view all customers. Click on segments. Click on create segment. Here we can name enter. This helps us group customers based on their activity. So here we can set a condition. Okay, then click enter. Okay, click on save. Give name. Click on save. See here already updated. So now we can easily target these customers with special offer and discount. So this is how we can manage inventory and create customers segment in Shopify. This help improve stock control and customer engagement. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.